Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently restore old File Explorer in Windows 11 PC. In case you don't love this one modern interface of File Explorer in Windows 11, you can restore old one that you have earlier seen in Windows 10. For that, you need to make some changes in registry editor. For that, first click on first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here type Notepad, then click on this one OK button to open Notepad on your Windows 11 PC. After that, you need to copy this one registry details from this one video description. Just copy it. After that, paste in a blank Notepad file. After that, click on this one file menu and select here save as option. Now name it restore old file explorer. After that, click on this one drop down menu that says save as type and select here all files. After that, change the name to file this one restore old file explorer dot res. Put here dot res at the end of the name of the file. After that, click on this one save button. You can also change the location such as desktop. I will save this file on this one desktop. Just select the location of the file where you want to save this one file. After that, click on this one save button. Now close this one notepad file. After that, you will find a file registry file something like this. Right click on this one file, select here show more options and then click on this one top entry merge. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button, again click on this one yes button, again click on this one OK button. Now right click on the free space on the taskbar of Windows 11, select here task manager option. In the task manager, select processes tab in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom to find this one Windows Explorer process. Right select it and right click on it and here choose this one restart option. There is no need to restart your PC, just restart File Explorer. After that, whenever you will open File Explorer using any method, you will see classic File Explorer on your Windows 11 machine. And in case you want to revert back these changes, that means in case you want to see modern File Explorer in Windows 11, we will put this one also. You need to copy this one files, just this one details, just copy it. I will put this one also in this one video description. Just copy it. After that, again open a notepad file, blank notepad file. Now copy and paste. Just copy and paste the details you have copied from this one video description. After that, click on this one file menu and in the drop down menu, select save as option. In the save as dialog box, select a location where you want to save this one file such as desktop. Now name it new file explorer. After that, click on this one save as type drop down menu and choose here all files. Now change the name of file name. Just put .res at the end of this one file name and it will be something like this, new file explorer.res. After that, click on this one save button. Now close this one file explorer, sorry, this one notepad window. After that, you will see this one file, new file explorer, select it, right click on it and select here show more options. After that, choose this one top option, merge, click on this one merge. In case Windows prompts, click on this yes button. Again, click on this one yes button. Click on this one OK button. From now onwards, whenever you will open File Explorer, you need to restart your PC after merging this one registry files. Either restart your PC, or in case you don't want to restart it, right click on the previous space on the taskbar, select here Task Manager option. In the Task Manager window, select Processes in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom. Select here Windows Explorer. Right click on it and choose this one Restart option. Close this one Task Manager window. After that, whenever you will open File Explorer using any method, you will see Classic File Explorer in your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.